Which of the following was forbidden in the Levitical law? A. Plant crops in one field. B. Owning livestock. C. Burning incense in worship. Letter D. Wearing linen robes. Aniya kadaliti sumamanipod tiinteg ti Levitico. A. Agmula iti dua akita ti bukod iti maysa at alon. Letter B. Agtagikwa iti bingwen. Letter C. Agsala iti insenso ti panagdayaw. Letter D. Agsusuon iti linen abado. Go. Time's up. Raise your board. The correct answer is letter A. Okay, number 1, correct. Number 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Nakuha. Okay, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 41, 42, 44, 46, 47, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, pakiharap lang po, 55, 56, and 57. Did the number 17 get it right? Yes. Yes. Alright, that's the name of the angel who binds Satan for 1,000 years. Letter A, Michael. Letter B, Gabriel. Letter C, the angel of the abyss. Letter D, an unnamed angel. Aniya ininagan tay anghel, anangikawan ken ni Satanas iti unos ti 1,000 atawen. Letter A, Miguel. Letter B, Gabriel. Letter C, anghel ti Wangwang. Letter D, haan ana inaganan nga anghel. Go. Time is up. Raise your boards. The correct answer is letter D.
Haan ana inaganan nga anghel. Tama.
D, haan ana inaganan nga anghel. An unnamed angel. Numbers 6, 7, 10, 13, 15, 18, 28, 29, 31, 32, 38, 39, 40, 45, 52, 53, 54, 55, and 56. Proverbs say in the beginning of knowledge. Letter A, wisdom. Letter B, reverence of the Lord. Letter C, understanding. Letter D, humility. Aniya iti ibagbaga iti proverbio tamaandaan ti maysa iti ammo. Letter A, siri. Letter B, panagdayaw iti apo. Letter C, panakaawat. Letter D, panagpakumbaga. O. Answer is letter B. Reverence for the Lord. Okay, please settle down so that our proctors here on the stage will correctly hear the number that I will say. Numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36, 37, 40, 44, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50. May sa anukod mo agayan, manipot ket nasira. Letter A, nalaluged abato. Letter B, nalagda ako. Letter C, nabalipok alampara. Letter D, natalged alingon. Go.
Hindi nga tahan sila. Natalged, alino. Pwede rin.
Time's up, raise your board. The correct answer is letter D. Proverbs describe a person who is quick-tempered. Letter A, stupid. Letter B, wicked. Letter C, ignorant. Letter D, conceited. Kasano ang ladawan dagiti proverbio, ti tao analakang ang pungpot.
Nakapso.
Letter A, maag. Letter B, managdakdakis. Letter C, nangan. Letter D, aging lalaking.
Si.
Go.
Maago na lang. Alay.
Time is up. The correct answer is letter A.
Maago. Nakabak na lang.
Higher, please. Those who got it right. Number 6. What is letter A? And
D or A.
letter B.
Nala ba? Nala na? Ay, nala.
Did everybody get it right? Yata? Except na lang yung sasabihin ko, except number 4. Sa lahat.
4 lang tinawag.
Yung group na lang yung mga itaas.
4 lang.
Okay.
4 lang.
Those who did not get it right,
Yan-
okay.
yan
So
ang four kayo,
everybody got it right except numbers 4, 40, and anya itinapalit kang aramidan dagiti mamati. Letter A, liklikan ti baso. Letter B, mangiput mo ti baso. Letter C, ikararagan dagiti managbaso.
Ano, nagriga.
Letter D, kondenaren dagiti managbaso.
A or C natin na to. Ikararagan, no? Liklikan.
Raise your boards. The correct answer is letter B.
Ah!
B, boy. Confess your sins.
Babawi.
Numbers 1, 4, 5. What number is this? Iho. Ano to? Ano number? 12. Number 12, 14, 16. Number 19 then? Number 19. Are you raising number 19? Of atonement. What did the high priest do with the scapegoat? Letter A, sacrifice it on the altar. Letter B, driven off into the desert. Letter C, wash its feet in the temple. Letter D, burned its flesh. Iti aldaw ti seremonya ti panakapakawan ti baso. Anya ti inaramid ti kamatuan apadi iti kalding apanag pangsugpon. A, maisakripisyo ti altar. B, maipulos iti letang. Letter C, mabugwan dagiti sakana sa diyay templo. Letter D, mapuuran ti lasab na. Go.
D or A.
Raise your boards. The correct answer is letter
basag.
Juicer.
Wow.
Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Say people should be ready for. Letter A, war. Letter B, do good. Letter C, last judgment. Letter D, submit to authority. Anya iti ibagbaga ni Pablo kasapulan nga isagana. Letter A, gubat. Letter B, agaramid iti na imbag. Letter C, panakaupong dagiti nasyon. Letter D, agtong turayo. Answer is letter B.
Ang nakaukom.
B, boy.
Ay, correct daw na yan. Correct daw.
Number 6, 14, 17, 13,
Awan sa
36, 40, 42, 42.
Score. There's a query on the score. Which church is described as being neither cold nor hot, but lukewarm? A. Ephesus. B. Laodicea. C. Smyrna. D. Thyatira. Mga simbaan tinaiparangarang asaan analamiis wenno napudod ngem saan anapudod ken saan met analamiis. A. Ephesus. B. Laodicea. C. Smyrna. D. Thyatira. Go. Here is letter B. Laodicea. Or
Wow,
Laodicea.
correct daw na.
Continues again for your answer. 1, 2, 4,
Oh, correct
6,
daw, 4.
7, and 8. 11, 12, and 13. 16, 17, 20, 21, 23 to 28. I repeat, 23 to 28. 30, 36, 38, 39, 45, 44, 45, 50, C,
A.
C, pride,
Because of
and D,
money.
hatred.
Money.
At iyang ipagtakudan, iamin ang kita inadagas. A, panagayain inikwarta.
A.
B, basol.
Debate.
C, inapangas.
A.
And letter D, bura.
Let answer namin natin, Mary, is our letter.
Raise your answers. The answer is letter A. Of money, panagayain. The parable of the Good Samaritan, who were the first two individuals to pass by the injured man without helping him. A. A priest and a Levite. B. A scribe and a Pharisee. C. A merchant and a soldier. D. A fisherman and a tax collector. Manipot ti panggaring maipapan itinimbag a Samaritano, isya sindo nagtiduwa kay muna anang lisi kentay nadunod a lalaki. A. Maysa a pali ken maysa a levita. B. Maysa a eskriba ken maysa a pariseo. C. Maysa a negosyante ken maysa a sundalo. Letter D. Maysa a manganam ken maysa a kolektor. A priest and a levite.
Ah,
Maysa
priest.
a pali ken maysa a levita.
Ah. Letter A.
Number 2 to 10. Number 2 to 10. 12, 13, 14, 16,
Ay, naalaman din number 15. Correct na naman nila.
19, 20,
Last question for the one. Multiple choice, number 20.
26,
Correct pa rin nila.
28, 37, 41, 43, 49, 50, 51.
59 schools.
Number 1. This is the place where Jesus was taken up to heaven. Tinugan ang nakayulian ni Jesus sa bilangin. Go.
Lugar na kay Julian ni Jesus. Kuna. Lugar ka na kay Julian ni Jesus.
Bethany. Spell us.
Yan na.
B-E-T-H-A-N-Y.
Bethany.
Bethania. Bethania. Okay, complete this very right. Number 6, 11,
Wrong.
12, 13.
Narongda.
am descended from the family of David. I am the blank. Okay, kapututan ni David. Shop the blank. Go. Correct answer is bright morning star. Letter naranyag abituen ti agsapa.
Narongda man nun.
Morning star. Fill in the blank. Gossip is so blank. Kasna blank ti amat padakis. Go.
Basol. Mata?
Listen is tasty.
Ay, correct dami.
50 beat the risen Christ first appeared to. Siya signo na iti imot una nagparangan tinagungan nga Jesus. Go. Mary Magdalene.
Oh, magdaling. Magdalene.
James and other women. Known words from the book of Leviticus are: love your neighbor as you love yourself. Ti palatakan apinatang ti libro ti Leviticus ket ayatenyo ti karubayo akas ti panagayatyo ti bagyo. Go. Correct answer is true. Wrong spelling is wrong. Okay, let me announce first the number.